Those of you that aren't bots and annoying. Anyway, about a mile through there, if you dare to enter this thick jungle, there's not even a point of entry, truly. About a mile through, there's 10 acres. About a mile through, you'll be in the Gulf. I don't know, I'm drinking this. I don't really even like it. Some electrolyte drink. I don't really like it though. It's the first time I tried it. I won't get it again. Thank you. Fresh lemonade. You hear the thunder? That's like a storm that's probably out in the ocean, in the Gulf. Excuse me. Oh, yes, Duke. I mean, get in line, I guess, because that's how everyone in the room feels. You love my armpits. I know. It's so strange to me, but whatever floats your boat. Good morning. Everyone needs a neighbor like me. Good morning.